When you step into the vehicle, this is your main 12 volt control panel. So you turn on and off at the top right hand corner. Then you'll get this menu here. So it tells you that the hookup is on there, and then it tells you your external and internal temperature. It tells you that your leisure battery is 100%. You've got 100% of water on there, zero waste, and the pump is off. But then if you use these controls here on the side, what you can do is you can turn your lights and then on and off, but then you'd use the scroller here, so you can scroll between on for the interior lights and on and off for the awning light. You get your internal and external temperature. You get your settings there, so you can change the time, date, when the clocks go back and forth, and the brightness of the screen. You can turn your pump on and off on here. You can view your leisure and vehicle battery, so vehicle and leisure, and you can view your fresh and your waste water. But when going into the lights, this is your on off by pressing the grey scroll button here. And then you just press and hold to turn off.